It is unjust to inject President Rodrigo Duterte with the Sinopharm vaccine because it doesn't have an emergency use authorization yet to prove initial studies claiming its safety. In an interview in Politiscoop, health reform advocate and former National Task Force advisor Dr. Tony Liachon questions why did Health Secretary Francisco Duque III allow the president to be injected by a vaccine that has only a compassionate use permit. But what is the difference between the emergency use authorization and the compassionate special permit being given on drugs and vaccines to be used in the country? Under the Department of Health Order No. 4 Series of 1992, it states that CSP is given on drugs or medical products if there's a need to be used by a patient having severe illness and there's no other drugs available in the country. It is even when a drug is not registered or still in the process of registration. CSP is usually given on unregistered drugs that can cure acquired immunodeficiency syndrome or AIDS, cancer, and other life-threatening conditions.
Ang compassionate use, ginagamit kung wala ka ng ibang magagamit pa na para ma-save mo yung pasyenteng yon. At pero hindi mo siya pwedeng i-mass production kasi compassionate use siya, unique siya to the person na nire-request mo.
EUA, on the other hand, is given if there's an initial study or clinical trial in other countries proving its efficacy and safety. Dr. Liachon suggests that Secretary Duque should have asked the vaccine experts panel and should have not allowed the president to be vaccinated by Sinopharm, considering that the president's wealth depends on it.
Imagine mo the Department of Health Secretary tolerating a violation of the law. Unregistered siya. Unregistered siya. And also for the president's safety, not for anything else. Ngayon, kung hindi na-assess ng vaccine expert panel, 76 ang Pangulo. At yung pala walang enough study for elderly. Ito bang Sinopharm ay safe para sa elderly? Wala. So how can you actually gain support right now? Kasi hindi man lang na-evaluate ng vaccine expert panel. Nakakatakot yan.
Secretary Duque earlier mentioned that the vaccination of the president is under the CSP guidelines and in accordance to the recommendation of the president's private doctor.
So yung CSP ang siyang authority na pwedeng gamitin ito na galing ang authorization sa FDA. At ang pangalawa naman, ang desisyon ni Pangulo na gamitin ito ay batay na rin sa prescription ng kanyang doktor.
The palace meanwhile stands firm that the vaccination is legitimate and the president had not violated any law. Marvin Calas, UNTV News and Rescue. We serve the people, we give glory to God.